It's important to think about preserving your own or your family or your organization's archives for a lot of reasons. One of those is to basically to share your story, to be able to pass on the things that you've experienced, things you've learned, things that you want people to know about what it was like to live in the time period that you're living through, and to be able to pass that on to future generations of your community, of your family, future members of your organizations, and allow them the opportunity to learn from you and learn from your experiences as they access them through your archives. It's also a way to make sure that you're represented in the historical record going forward. A lot of the narratives that we have as part of the historical record come from the high levels of government, of powerful, wealthy people who have historically been able to preserve their materials and have been prioritized in the preservation of the historic record. And so by preserving your own materials, your own stories and experiences and perspectives, you're able to provide a counter to that and contribute to a richer and more representative historic record going forward.